Did you know that the first ever computer programmer was a woman? Ada Lovelace, a mathematician in the 1800s, wrote the first algorithm designed to be processed by a machine. She saw beyond simple calculations and imagined computers as tools for much more. Creating music, art, even solving complex problems. Her notes on Charles Babbage's analytical engine laid the groundwork for modern computing. Lovelace's vision of machines doing more than just math makes her the true pioneer of computer programming. So, next time you code, remember, Ada Lovelace was the original programmer, long before computers became what they are today.